Welcome to this exciting video about the amazing health benefits of spirulina, a powerhouse nutrient found in LiveGood's SuperGreens health drink powder. It's understandable why this nutrient-dense superfood has been a staple in many cultures for so long. Spirulina is undoubtedly a health food powerhouse thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties and capacity to increase muscle endurance. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about how spirulina can help you achieve optimal health and wellness. But before we do, please, smash the like button and follow for updates from this channel about healthy eating and supplementation. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that grows in freshwater environments, such as ponds and lakes. It has been consumed for centuries by many different cultures, and because of its many health advantages, it has become well known as a superfood. Here are some of the health benefits of spirulina. High nutrient content. Spirulina is rich in nutrients such as protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are just a few of the nutrients that spirulina is high in. It is also a good source of vitamin B12, which is typically found in animal products. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Spirulina contains phycocyanin, a pigment that has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, it contains other antioxidants that lessen oxidative stress in the body, such as vitamin E and beta-carotene. Lowering cholesterol levels. High cholesterol levels are a significant risk factor for heart disease. One of the main risk factors for heart disease is high cholesterol levels. In one study, taking spirulina supplements for 3 months resulted in a significant reduction in LDL, bad cholesterol, and an increase in HDL, good cholesterol. Boosting immune system. Spirulina has been shown to have immunomodulatory effects, meaning that it helps to regulate the immune system. It has been discovered to boost antibody production, which aids in the defense against illnesses and infections. It also contains polysaccharides, which have been shown to stimulate the immune system. Improving muscle endurance. Spirulina has been found to improve muscle endurance, making it a popular supplement among athletes. According to one study, taking spirulina supplements for 4 weeks lengthened the period of time before exercise-induced fatigue set in for participants. Luckily for all of us, there is an ample amount of spirulina found in LiveGood's SuperGreens so that we can experience many of these amazing health benefits. Check the pinned comment to grab some SuperGreens for yourself and be a witness to the elevated good health it will bring to you. In conclusion, spirulina is a nutrient-dense superfood that offers numerous health benefits. It is rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, lowers cholesterol levels, boosts the immune system, and improves muscle endurance. I hope this video has been informative for you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and thank you for watching.